Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Adam Forbes. Thank you for tuning into my channel again. I decided a little while ago that when I attained 50 followers on YouTube that I would do a free question and answer session. So this is focused at perhaps just landowners. You might have a residential block, perhaps you're a farmer or iwi with land, maybe you're thinking about doing planting or retirement. And the idea is that you can send me your questions so that to help you be successful in what you're doing, and I'll consider them, and the top 10 that the top 10 questions I receive I will produce answers to, and that'll be in the new year. So in the new year I'll produce a video and respond to you. So what you should do is email me a description. The more information you can give me, the better the answer is likely to be. Some photos, include photos if you like. I may use those in the video that I reply to your question with, so just make sure you're comfortable about that, and yeah, hopefully this will help a number of people. And the idea is with those 10 responses it'll be a series of videos through 2022 helping you with advice, and the idea really is not just helping you but helping others that may be facing similar things. Okay, so for now, have a great festive season, stay safe, and I look forward to getting your questions and putting out some responses in the new year. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me any comments in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Doing all these things means that the algorithm works better and more people will discover this, so it really helps everyone. Okay, so thanks very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.